Hi guys, today's video is on factorization. So it's useful for all students from Form 2 up to Form 5. So we're going to look at these two terms. This is an algebraic expression. Okay, so this 9 is a perfect square. So you want to think about what number, if you square it, gives you 9. Okay, so 9 ni kamu kena ingat, kamu kena fikirkan nombor apa bila kuasa dengan 2 dapat 9. So 9 boleh tukar kepada 3 kuasa 2. Betul tak? Okay, so that's the first step. So apa yang kita kena buat? Langkah yang kedua, tuliskan X kuasa 2, tolak 9 tu ganti dengan 3 kuasa 2. Alright, so make sure both the terms have squares in them, and then this is for minus two-term factorization where both terms are squares and it's a subtraction operation. So when you get this, then you open up two brackets. One would be x plus 3 and one more will be x minus 3. So all you do here is you put each term into each bracket. So same thing, there is an x and a 3 here as well. So the only difference is one must be plus, one must be minus. Okay, let's try another one. So in the next one, we have 4y square minus 1. So 4 can be changed into 2 square and 1 can be changed into 1 square. So 2 square gives you 4 and 1 square gives you 1. So now we are going to rewrite this algebraic expression. Tulis balik semula, 4 tu ganti dengan 2 kuasa 2. Tolak, 1 tu gantikan dengan 1 kuasa 2. So pastikan semua ada kuasa 2. Make sure everything has a square and operasi tu memang mesti minus. Kalau semua ada kuasa 2, okay, everything is a square dan dia tolak and it's a minus symbol, then you open up two brackets. Okay, 2y put in each bracket, the 1 put in each bracket, and make sure one is plus, one is minus. Kalau sini tolak, sini tambah pun boleh, no problem. Okay, next one, we're going to change the 16. So apa kuasa 2 dapat 16? 4 square. Okay, apa kuasa 2 dapat 25? 5 square. So rewrite 4 square x square minus 5 square. So semua dah kuasa 2 betul? Tolak. So open up two brackets. 4x in each, 5 in each, and 1 plus, 1 minus. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. So in this next one, the 1 we're going to write it 1 square. 81 we're going to change it to 9 square. So when you do this, you're going to rewrite 1 square minus 9 square x square. So semua dah kuasa 2. So buka 2 kurungan. 1 tu letak dalam setiap kurungan. 9x ni pun letak dalam setiap kurungan. Pastikan dalam kurungan tu tak ada kuasa 2 ya. There is no squares in the bracket. So 1 tambah, 1 tolak. Alright. Now, soalan berbentuk peperiksaan yang aras tinggi, okay, a harder kind of question is this kind of question. So, upon looking at this, many students will change this to 10 square and 36 square. But actually, here, this one, kita boleh buat pemfaktoran mudah dulu, simple factorization. So, what we're going to do first is, we are going to factorize out, because 100 dengan 36, dua-dua pun boleh bahagi dengan 4. Both can divide by 4. So we're going to put 4 outside. And then we are going to factorize. So 4 times what will give you 100. Okay. 4 darab apa boleh dapat, kita boleh dapat 100. So 25. Okay. Then minus. So 4 times what gives you 36? 9. Okay. Now we think of the squares. So 9 can be changed to 3 square, and then 25 can be changed to 5 square. So now what you're going to do, you're going to leave this 4 as it is. Okay, jangan ganggu. Okay, now you open up 2 brackets after this. So this is 5x in each. 5x setiap bracket. Ini pula 3y. So letak sini 3y. So 1 tambah, 1 tolak. Ini adalah soalan aras tinggi pemfaktoran 2 terms. Okay, so 2 terms factorization. This is a harder kind of question. So many students will only do 1 basic factorization, but they don't open up these 2 brackets. So hopefully this video is useful for you. See you in the next one.